Hey, Shadi, how are you?
Longest time. Where have you been?
I went to the village to see my mom.
Eh? Gabriel! I believe say you go see your mama, your wife, Abby.
You see? Play, I'm not playing.
I beg, don't they want me?
Which one be say? What the person wey don chop the carry woman go show him? I beg, me wey never chop.
Gabriel, see you now, see you, see your body, see chest, are you froze, are you clean?
You just fit part. They grow for the right.
We do the work, you know.
You know.
Let's do
also,
this.
I never touch this my pin.
Now you get some on your food.
Confirm.
You're back.
Gallant.
Let's do this.
Let's do this, man.
As we always do, yeah?
Confirm. Balance.
My God. Whew. Good to have you back.
Mamalicious mama.
That's moi.
Good to see you, my angel.
Same here, Mom.
After so many years, look at my daughter is now.
Thank you so much, Mom, for everything. I'm superhero.
You shouldn't take me. That's what I'm supposed to do for my only child. I'm so proud of you, sweetheart.
Thank you, Mom. So good to be home. Oh wow, look at everywhere. The view. I missed this place.
I know you miss this country like
Of
crazy.
course.
I know.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness, I'm happy.
Same here, Mom. I can't wait to eat my mama's food. Woo!
You can say that again, sweetheart. I need your favorite. Don't worry.
Oh really?
Relax now.
I can't wait, Mom.
I'm taking you home, baby girl.
Yes, home sweet home. Home sweet home. Feels good to be back.
I know.
Yeah, good to go.
Yes.
Mm.
So tape 2, let's go.
All right.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Still 7 to 9. Action.
Mommy.
My mama.
That's more.
Mommy's mamalicious mama.
That's only more.
I'm super excited to see my daughter again after so many years.
Same here, Mom.
God have mercy.
Mm.
I have a big girl.
Oh yes.
Madam Mama.
Oh yes, I'm a big girl
Madam
now.
Mama.
Wow, so good to be home, Mom.
Darling,
I miss this place.
Yes. Yes.
Wow. look
Everywhere
at
just changed.
everywhere.
The new government. They did well.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yes.
Well, I can't wait to eat mama soup.
I made your favorite.
Really?
Come on now.
Oh, I can't
We're
wait to
going
get
straight
home.
to the house.
Yes, that's my mama. That's my mama.
Wow. Home sweet home. I love it here. I missed home. I miss Nigeria. I love it here. I miss my mom, like, so good to see her. But then, I can't wait to see my dad tomorrow. I can't wait to see you, Dad. I just wish you can find it in your heart to forgive my mom. I know you will, because you're my dad. For now, let me just relax. Wow, I love the weather. Everything is given. Welcome to Nigeria. Mama!
Hey, Shade.
I have really missed you.
I'm so sorry I couldn't come to the airport to pick you up yesterday. Okay?
Baby girl, that's fine. I mean, you couldn't have left your clients. Besides, I'm still here, right?
Mama!
You, wow.
You're looking so hot and smashing.
Thank you, darling.
Fill my cup, fill my cup. Give me gist. Download info, give me.
Oh my God.
In fact, this evening, we dey go chop amala.
Oh my gosh.
Me.
Shade, your energy never drops.
Oh, say.
Wow.
Lagos girl, my energy drop. Me. Me.
Wow, baby girl, but you really look good. I mean, you're growing thick. What's the secret? Tell
Are you
me.
serious?
Tell me. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Just tell me what's the secret, please.
There's nothing much, oh. It's just God and, gym.
Gym?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I have a gym instructor. And
please, when do I start? Like, I don't want to go gym. Like, I want to start gymming. I want my own to come out. Why are you laughing? What's funny?
You want to go to the gym?
Yes, no.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, I'll take you to the gym.
I'll be ready tomorrow. Of course, I'm ready. Tomorrow is fine.
Okay. How's Momsy now?
She's fine. She's upstairs. Later in the day, we'll be going to see my dad.
Oh, that's so nice. Pardon me. My friendship.
My friend.
Tata. Please, what do you have for me? Because Lagos girl needs some goodies to stay energetic. Because you know me now. You know me.
I know. You know what? I got you. But first, let's have a drink.
Right? Mama!
To our friendship.
I miss you.
I miss you too, girl.
So, when did your plane touch down Nigeria?
Just yesterday, Dad.
Wow, yesterday? See, my daughter, she just spring around and grow up.
Dad?
Yes.
Don't you want me to grow up?
Why not? I want you to grow up even bigger. Wow, so what are the packages for a man whose former wife left him all by himself when he needed her most? Packages?
Dad.
Yes.
Actually, that's why we're here. Can we just go upstairs and talk things over?
That's no. She forced me to sign the divorce letter, and I did. I'm alive.
Honey, you're alive.
Please don't provoke me further. Don't! Honey, you know what? Next time you want to visit for us to have a good time, please come home alone. Excuse me for a moment.
Dad. Mom, it's fine, okay? Dad will come around. It's okay. Mommy.
Come on, Juma. You just got back. You should be resting.
But Mom, I want to keep fit.
Which feet are you talking about, Juma? Aren't you fit enough? Come on, stop that.
Oh, Mommy, please calm down.
I beg your pardon. Don't tell me to calm down. You just got back. I mean, there is no need for you to start hitting the gym with Sade. Alright, if you must keep fit, why don't you come to the church? There is an uncompleted building, like an abandoned, a story building there. You can as well use the staircase, run up, run down, run up, run down. It will still give you the same thing.
But Mom, I already promised to go out with Sade today.
No, you're not coming.
Mommy, please. No.
Hey!
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, beautiful. Just get up. How are you?
I'm fine, Ma. I came to pick up Mama so we can go to the gym together.
Oh, that's amazing. But if you can go, okay? Just be careful.
Really, Mom? Thank you.
Aren't you forgetting something?
What?
Food flags.
Oh, come on, Mom. I'm not a baby. Besides, I won't be needing food at the gym.
Just imagine how I changed. Nigerian, welcome.
Thanks, Mom. Oh, I'm so hungry.
So, why are you telling me? Aren't you the one that left the house without your food flask?
Oh, come on, Mom. There was no way I would have turned up in a gym with a food flask. A grown woman with a master's degree. Food flask? Ah, no.
The bragging is much, oh Choma. Calm down. Master degree holder. Blah, 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 blah. What's that?
No, please, I'm hungry.
Shut up,
Let me go
please.
sort myself out. Enjoy.
I lost.
Oh my gosh!
You know you don't have to do that, right?
Why? So other people could walk in and laugh at me too.
Let me help you. Look, I'm sorry I laughed at you. I shouldn't have.
It's fine.
Mama?
Please don't call me that.
It's alright.
Mama, you've taken.
Oh, hi, Shadi.
Hi, Gabriel. How far?
Nothing. Your friend?
I have to go, okay?
Alright, see you. Woo!
Indomie and egg. Just say it.
Mama.
Oh my gosh. Can you just stop calling me that?
Or what? Listen, how about we go get Indomie and egg at that booker after this?
No, I can't.
Okay, that's fine.
No, I mean, I can't just eat food from anywhere.
America Wonder Mama.
Oh, please, stop calling me that.
Okay. Listen, the place is actually very clean. You'd love it there.
You sure about that?
100.
Alright. So when are we grabbing the Indomie and egg?
After this.
Alright.
So, Mama.
My name is Choma.
Hence, Mama.
Would you ever stop calling me that?
You know, two siblings, a boy and a girl, Mom and Dad got separated, and each parent had to keep a child each. Mom took Mama with her to Cameroon, and I never saw her again. Cliché story, right?
Oh no, it's not. I'm so sorry that had to happen.
Oh, it's fine. I mean, it doesn't hurt anymore. My name is Gabriel.
Choma. Choma Chukunelo Chukura.
Oh. You don't have an English name?
Nope. All Igbo.
Interesting. You know, you don't act very Igbo.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And what's with all this Chiche in your name everywhere?
Well, let's just say Igbo parents has the thing with Chi.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah. So, what school did you attend?
I attended Abu State University.
Oh.
And what about you?
I schooled in UK.
Interesting. So you are indeed an American wonder.
Oh no, stop it. Well, I just got back and Sade has been taking me around. You know, everywhere has changed.
Yeah.
So do you visit the gym often?
Oh, yes I do. Yes I do. You want me to take you around, show you around town?
That wouldn't be bad, you know. Stop, Joe. Oh no, you are the goofy one here. You stop goofing around. What? Stop, Joe. I get it. I hear you. Okay, what exactly? You're goofing around now, right? You're goofing around. Stop. You're the one goofing around, yeah? Stop it now. Why are you like this? Fine. Nothing more. Mom! Let me call you back.
Mama International.
What?
Please come, let's go to the kitchen, I beg. For one day, go fugi.
Mom! I said goofy, not goof.
Whatever. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, come.
Alright, Mom.
So, who is he?
He?
Of course. The person that is making you all excited on the phone. I mean, I've seen you passing around with your phone, laughing, making calls, video calls, text message and everything. Mama, listen, I know you too well. You are a very quiet girl. So whoever that is making you to be excited like that must be special.
I met him at the gym.
Huh? Gym love?
Oh my word, Mom.
Of course.
We're just friends.
Before Uncle, are you married? It has to be friendship first.
Like I said, we're just friends, nothing more.
That's what I said. Everyone starts with friendship first. Even your father and I started, being friends first, and before you know it, I got pregnant. He did not abandon me. He left the friendship aspect, got married to me. That's what friends are for. You shouldn't have any friend that will abandon you when you need him most. Your father never left me. That's what matters. So whoever that is going to be your friend should be a good person, should not be someone that will abandon you. And hey, you shouldn't be in a hurry. I mean, if love is all you need, I'm here. I provide everything for you. I buy clothes, give you good food, anything. So if you need love, Come home to mommy.
I love you so much, Mom.
My beautiful daughter. How do you know?
Oh my God, Mom, please.
Please what? Okay, mother. Oh, Chimo. Must you go out?
Mom, stop!
Chiapa. You have spoiled, oh.
I see what's in your eating. See ya.
Guy, calm down.
I'll be calm down, matter. This your guy now, I don't know, say you give 2 pass.
That guy.
Who be that?
Hold on. Who's that?
Hello.
Hi.
I would love to see Gabriel. Oh, hey.
Hey, come in, please. Have a seat.
Thank you. You know, I didn't have anyone to...
Gabriel, I'll see you guys.
Alright. Sorry about that.
You know, I didn't see anyone to tease me at the gym today. No one to fight with. So...
Yeah, how did you find me though?
The guy at the gym told me you were... I felt bad you didn't tell me, you know.
It wasn't that serious. It only got worse at night, but thank God my housemate was around.
Oh, you mean the guy that just left?
Yes. That's Femi, by the way. He was able to take me to the pharmacy. That's how I'm able to talk this loud.
Anyway, thank God you're fine. Meanwhile, I brought you something.
What? Don't tell me.
Noodles and egg.
You don't say.
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait. This is... Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll dig into it. So, I hope I'm not a bad host.
Not at all.
Very my G. How far? How about dinner?
My mom gets it better, bro.
Abby?
Yeah.
Your own even better. She's even taking good care of you. Wow.
This is Choma, my friend.
Hey.
Wow. Choma. What a beautiful name with a beautiful name. Hope you are enjoying our house.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Wow. You look so good.
Babe.
See you later. Let's go inside.
Trouble in paradise. Alright,
Okay.
yeah, so that's Leo, my housemate. So now you've met 2 of my housemates.
Wow, nice.
So, it's just kind of surprising that you spring up on me like this. You were the last person I expected to see today.
I know, right?
Yeah. Play this. You don't get to go markets.
Oh boy. Okay. I will shock you now.
Why are they wasting?
I'll tell you one shot, guy, go market.
Nothing they solve now.
Guy, give him a general market.
If for commodity, this is a child's play now.
Guy, go market, Joe. General child's play.
How far now, guy? You never introduced your babe give us officially. Waiting so.
I don't understand. The other day you shook her hand. Which kind of introduction passed that one?
This bad guy, don't they shake her hand? We need to take careful. This guy.
You don't need to tell me.
Okay, relax. What did they talk? It's just a harmless handshake. I don't know what they talk.
Okay now.
I know. I'm less anxious.
Na harmless, so.
You know it.
Na harmless.
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah.
hold your babe tight, oh. I know what I tell you. This guy na bad guy. You don't they enter harmless handshake. From there, if you to enter waist shake.
I know. I won't wake up like this. That's what I'm saying.
Guy, play your game.
Hey.
My mom is giving grants to startups and I wrote your name on the list.
You did what?
Yeah, apparently 5 million will enable you for the skills you acquired and...
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. What would I do without you?
Nothing. That's okay.
Chuma, if there's one thing that I have been very sure about in my entire life, it's that I want you. I want to be with you.
No, you're not sure.
I am sure. Look, I enjoy your company. I enjoy every single moment that we spend together. I love you and I know that you love me too.
Yeah, but I'm not ready for a relationship. I just can't.
It's okay, I understand. I'm just not very financially, yeah.
Oh, no. That's not what I meant. Besides, that's not an issue to me. You see, the thing is, I've never had a boyfriend. Yes, I don't even know what it is to be with a guy. And I would really love to, and maybe someday have my own kids, family, but at the right time, because right now I'm not ready.
Look, Chuma, look. I want you to be the mother of my children, and I the father of your children. Okay, let's build something together. Aren't you ready to get married yet?
I'm 25, you know. I mean, forget that my mom treats me like a baby. That's an only child's privilege.
I understand.
Oh, no, you don't. The thing is, I'm a virgin. Can you date a virgin?
Yeah, it's not a problem. I can wait till you're ready.
I won't be ready until marriage. I don't know.
And in that case, I'll wait. Chuma, would you please be my girlfriend?
Gladly.
Yeah. Thank you.
You believed her? I mean, a girl of her age told you she's a virgin and you believed her. Come on, babe.
This girl, brother, they shock me. They shock me, I swear to God.
Guys, I believe her. Man, I believe her. You need just to see the honesty beaming from her eyes.
Baba, calm down. You know what they do? Small time ago, they speak all this baby grammar. Another man, they chop your babe. They talk, say, you believe this and that. But wait, at first, he said that you guys were just friends. And now, the both of you are dating. And also agree that you won't have any sex until you get married. Who does that?
This girl has shocked me. Guy, listen. That girl is lying. I mean, trust me. That thing is pure scam. Yeah. She's one of these baddies that just got back from Yankee and are forming...
Just don't say that about her. Don't.
Then put her to a test.
How do you mean put her to a test? How am I even supposed to do that?
Gabe, invite her over. The both of you together in a room. Then you see the body in her. I mean...
What if I do something stupid?
And what if she does something stupid? Give it a try, bro.
Hello.
Hi, beautiful.
I'm here to see...
Your mom. I know.
I'm here to see Gabriel.
He's not around, boy. He'll be back soon. You can wait for him if you wish.
Okay, I'll wait.
Alright. Take care.
Strong. I can't seem to reach him.
Oh my darling, I am so sorry. I know you must have waited a century.
I've been waiting. I've tried calling you, no way.
I am so sorry. I had to go do something for my aunt. Okay, let's just go inside, okay? Oh, ladies first.
You know, it took a lot of self-control for me not to open the drinks before you returned.
Yeah. So tell me, what was it about Sade's food business that got you screaming all day on WhatsApp?
I wasn't screaming. I was ranting.
Whichever one it is, just tell me.
A client paid her an amount lower than the actual price. Can you imagine?
In this economy.
Exactly my question. In this economy. The woman was just screaming and threatening to drag Sade's brand on Instagram.
So people get mine, child.
But trust Sade now. You know she's a crazy girl. If it were me, I would just crawl into a grave and start crying.
I don't think I can do this. She's so innocent to pass through this. If I do this, I will not forgive myself.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, babe. Just give me a minute. Okay.
This gas is full.
Really? Did you test it?
I'm sure it will look good on me.
Okay. It's not a problem. You know, I always do anything to do just to make you happy. You know,
Look, I don't think I can do this.
Come on, bro. Go on with the flow now.
But I would look like I took advantage of her or something.
Look, bro. We are not asking you to rap her or something. Put her in a position where she will show you her reserve. Please.
Gabe, you're not just serious. I mean, stop. We shouldn't have headache telling you about this. It's not a big deal. I mean, you can do it. You know what? I will not sit here and listen to you say all this. Baby, we need to go inside.
I'm tired of everything.
Oh, okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Don't you think it's getting late? You should start going home.
I'm not done with my gist. Let's continue, Joe.
Okay.
So, Sade, the crazy girl.
Crazy girl. Drink up. That drink is all going to drink himself.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God. I'm tired. I'm kind of feeling sleepy.
Ready?
Oh, just.
Why don't you... Let me just put some water for you.
No.
You're going to sleep like that? Are you okay? What happened?
What have you done? You raped me.
Raped you? How? What are you talking about?
You raped me. How? You took advantage of me, Gabriel.
What are you talking about?
You promised. You promised. You took advantage of me. I hate you.
Can you please tell me what's going on?
Hello? Please come to Gabriel's apartment. My life is in danger. Come to Gabriel's house.
Life is in danger? What are you talking about? Okay, listen.
Don't touch me!
Okay, fine.
Don't touch me!
Can you just calm down, okay? I swear I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do this, I promise you.
You ruined me. You ruined me, Gabriel. I hate you. I hate you.
Please, can you calm down?
Don't touch me.
Can you calm down, please?
Mama, stop now, stop. You're hurting yourself. Your mom have arrested him already, so you can stop crying.
Arresting him doesn't undo what he did to me. The sky is eternal. He doesn't leave.
I know. What Bele? Sorry. Please, stop crying, okay? Please.
It's okay. Listen. Everything is going to be alright, I assure you of that. You will be fine. I will make sure that young man brought in jail. It's okay. It's okay.
Master Gabriel! Start talking! I don't intend wasting so much time on your case!
I did not do it, officer.
Now listen to me. I'm not here to waste my time. Talk now!
I did not do it, okay? There's no way on earth I would have raped my girlfriend. I would never hurt my girlfriend. But the last thing I remember is we were talking, and then she woke up, she screamed, and I woke up to see her bleeding. I didn't do it.
Shut up! Do you think I'm here to play?
Officer, I'm speaking the truth.
You will tell that to the court. Sergeant! Sir!
She's been so hard on herself these days. And she's rapidly losing weight.
Honestly speaking, I hate to see my daughter this way. Seeing her like this breaks my heart. I mean, it makes me feel like I didn't do well as a mom.
Mommy, please don't say that. You did well as a mom.
Oh, come on. Shadi, that's the truth. I mean, I shouldn't have allowed her to be with that guy. I shouldn't have.
Let's just hope everything is going to be fine.
Shadi.
Gabriel, how could you do that?
I didn't do it. Please tell Mama to listen to me. I didn't do it.
I should tell Mama to listen to you? The same Mama that trusted you?
There is no way I would break her trust like that. Okay? I didn't do it. I never touched her. We've never even shared a kiss before. Look, the last I remember we were just talking. The next thing she wakes up, screams and I wake up to see her bleeding.
How then do you explain that? How then do you explain Mama waking up bleeding in your own room?
I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I am just as confused as you are.
Honestly, Gabriel, your story is unbelievable. Nobody's going to believe it. I don't even believe it myself.
I didn't do it. Please tell her I'm innocent. I did not do it. I would never hurt my girlfriend. I would never do anything to hurt her.
Mama, I want us to talk about something, please.
Okay.
I saw Gabriel today. Mama, wait now. Calm down. At least listen to me. Listen, he has been consistent with his testimonies and I think you should hear him out.
That's good. You can take his side for all you want. See, I really do not need any disturbance right now. I want to rest.
Mama, it's not about taking sides. It's really not. It's about the truth. If you ask me, I think he didn't do it.
Really? Then who did? Me? Or I just woke up and then decided to bleed? Really? I can't believe you're saying this to me right now.
Mama.
Man, I can't believe this. So, like play. Our mom don't dey prison like this.
Like me, I still dey doubt her. Like, as I did, like, I never believe her. Child.
This is serious.
I'm all what am I? I never still believe her.
This is serious.
Babe, you're still here. Please, can we go inside?
I'll be joining soon. I'm coming.
Okay.
Bro, I got something to do inside. Let's talk later.
Leo, can never change. See, our guy, now in the prison, oh. He still talk about Rabbi
Calm down, we no go kill ourselves now. Calm down, me tell you say I go talk to you later. Yeah? See you later.
Now our guy, oh. The thing supposed to bother you every time Rabbi schools. Nice one. Oh, it's down already. Okay, good. Let me go and charge it up and know what really happened. Okay. I don't get it. What's going on? What? Can this guy really do this?
Shadi, just tell her I did it and ask her to forgive me. Okay? Tell her I did it. I can't have her mad at me for this long. Oh God. What is this? What is left? That's the only thing that's left, right? I'll be arraigned tomorrow. I don't know how long I can survive the prison.
I don't know what to say. Hopefully everything is going to be fine and you'll be out in no time.
I hope so. But just in case there's no hope, at least I apologized.
I promise I'll talk to her. I'll try my best.
Thank you. Thank you.
If you're here to talk about that devil, just save your strength. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to get angry with you.
Chima, can you at least hear him out? Or you can go there yourself.
No. I can't face him. I can't face that devil. He's dead to me.
Listen.
Shadi, get out.
Mama, are you asking?
Just get out.
Mama, are you asking?
Get out.
I should get out! It's okay. It's fine. Mommy. Mom, are you okay? Are you crying? Mom, you're not saying anything. Mom, what is it? Talk to me. I just got a call from the police.
Mom, please, if it's about him, don't tell me.
He's innocent. They got a clip proving his innocency. It was actually Leo who drugged the two trains. Made his way to the room
forced himself on you. Ha!
Leo? And we had Gabriel in prison all this while? Mom, please. You need to help me. We need to get him out, please. Just help me. Let's go get him out. I beg you. Please, Mommy, just say something. Please. Mommy, please.
He's gone.
Gone to where? He's been transferred already. But Mom, you can help me bring him back, please. Just, please.
Gabriel is dead.
What? No.
John.
Hello, Shade. I don't think I can forgive myself. I can't forgive myself. I can't forgive myself.
Mommy, where is she? Let's open the door, Mommy. She locked it from inside. I mean, not with key, but bolt. Why don't we call somebody to help us open the door? Like the neighbors. The neighbors, yes. The right? Neighbors, yes. Okay. Yes, we have to.
Every day, I search for strength to grieve. But my strength has failed me. I want to cry. I just want to... I want to cry. To show you how much I love you. But no enough tears coming out from my eyes. I guess they're all dried up. I want to cry to show you how much I miss you, how much I love you. My mama. My own mama. My beautiful child. My fine girl. I love you. She's always reminding me she has masters. She doesn't want to carry food flasks. I just want to see your face. Please. Even if it's 1 minute. I wish you can just come out. Show me your face. But this time, with smiles. It is well.